Dear 2018 Computational Decision Making and Data Science Workshop participants, we wish you a very warm welcome at Belgrade, Serbia, on behalf of the organizers, the University of Belgrade, Faculty of Organizational Sciences, and Saga New Frontier Group. This two-day workshop consists of 4 invited talk sessions with a total of 8 talks and 2 academy industry dedicated panel discussions. Computational decision-making is an emerging research field that aims to build new methods for efficient decision-making using advanced computational tools. Similarly, data science is becoming one of the most important research fields, covering the areas of machine learning, data mining, pattern recognition, visualization, data engineering, and other disciplines. In recent years, data science methods were successfully applied to a large range of areas, including health, biology, climate, marketing, etc. This workshop aims to address challenges in the areas of computational decision-making and data science, and to facilitate interaction between academia, industry, as well as funding agencies. This year, the workshop will be organized around 4 topics: smart societies, blockchain technologies, privacy preserving on the internet, collective decision-making. Now, it is my pleasure to call Professor Sanja Marinković, the Vice Dean for International Cooperation of the Faculty of Organizational Sciences, to join me on the floor.
Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. It is my pleasure to be here again and to welcome you on behalf of our Dean, Professor Milija Suknović, and on behalf of our colleagues from Faculty of Organizational Sciences. Just a few words about the faculty. This year we will start 47th year of teaching in the fields of information systems and technologies and management. Today it is a recognized faculty with more than 700 cooperation agreements with different companies in the country. Also, this is the faculty with strong international cooperation with more than 50 active contracts with international universities, faculties, and organizations. This is the faculty where we are trying to show how triple helix model works in practice. So we cooperate with industry, with universities, but also with government and different agencies. We organize several conferences, and they are at national and international level. And I will use this opportunity to congratulate again to my colleague, Professor Boris Delibasic, to all other colleagues who were part of organizing committee of this event. I would like to thank all the organizations that supported this event, to thank Saga New Frontier Group to be our partner for all these years. And I wish you all a pleasant stay in Belgrade. I wish you all good sessions, good networking, and to enjoy the time spent here with our colleagues. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Professor Marinković. Now it is my pleasure to call Nebojša Bjelotomić, CEO of Saga Belgrade, co-organizer of this workshop.
Hello, thank you all for coming, especially our dear lecturers. We're really, really happy to have you here, very excited to listen to you and work to you. Thanks to Mr. Nešković for helping organizing this. Thanks to Professor Delibasic, his lab that is showing, a huge dispersion of skills in terms of helping to organize all of this. Thanks to people from marketing, from Saga, also to helping this organize. And, this event is being on long enough that we have fogs of time that I'm not sure if this is 3rd or 4th time. Actually, we have the ongoing discussion what was the first one that was made. But anyway, now we can say that this is now traditional, and I'm very happy about it. And as Professor said before me, we are really trying to make this helix where we put different actors on the market and in society together to work on this very, very hot topic and to try to put Belgrade on the map as a place where these discussions are going on. It's very exciting to be now in this whole data science field. So much can be done, not just in academia, but also in stuff that is closer to maybe market and commercialization and maybe influencing everyday life. And that's what we're trying to do. Also, what we hope to do, and I hope that all these guys in the back rows, we attract to go further in academia or go straight into commercial field, but stick with data science and these algorithm models and stuff that we are all working on. I'm not sure actually is it thankful in these days to predict anything, because things are changing so fast that it's very easy to make fool of yourself. If you make a prediction and only in 2 years you can be proven completely wrong. But somehow I believe that all of this decision making and the computational power that is in our fingers is actually going to help people and make people more efficient and more effective. And in that way, we are not talking about people being replaced, but people being better and people, having maybe better quality of life. One thing that I'm really sure about is that, the managers who are not paying attention to data science and computer decision modeling are the managers who will not be around. Because you have to think about all of this that is going on in these buzzwords, in development of how your organization is affected from the level of interviewing young interns to the level of how your product today is catered to needs of the customer. What is the customer experience actually today? Recently somebody was telling me content is not the king anymore, it's being connected that is very important, which somehow fights the logic that I've been developing for 20 years, but that's what's been going on. Stuff that we have been believing in for decades are now being challenged and changed. So what I'm hoping in these 2 days is that we are going to challenge each other and have battle of the views and how some technologies that are considered emerging actually already tomorrow can be established, and how some stuff that we don't really see as happening are going to happen, and how this academia and commerce can actually find the common ground and common language. That's what I'm hoping. And it's not easy to be the guy in a suit, the only guy in a suit, but actually this is because the other things I have to do in a day. But anyway, again, welcome all. We're really happy to have you. Very excited that we are again together talking about these really interesting topics. And enjoy your stay in Belgrade. We'll try to be good hosts. We made a special ditch for you to jump over when you come into hotel. So we are already working very hard. But anyway, jokes aside, really, really excited to have you, and thanks to all for coming, and enjoy the conference. Thank you.